Alright, so in this video I will be going to show you how you can create a cold email automation using N8N. So first off, you start off with adding a trigger manual. If you don't know how to do it, you press here, you add trigger, manual trigger. Then we need to go to the Google Sheets node, and here we're going to set up our Google Sheets account. If you don't know how to do that already, I've made a video on how to create the new credentials, and you can use that. From there on out, you're going to press sheet within document, get rows, and there is the sheet that will come in handy. So here we will have this sheet. You can name it whatever you want. I've called it PBM outreach. And then from there on out, here you have the following rows. You have name, email address, send status, and time. Here you have the email templates. And here you have the columns subject and body. And here you can just put in specific email templates, and we'll get later in the video what you can do with it. You can add as many as you want, and adding more is recommended because it will decrease the chance of you getting flagged by email providers if you send more bulk email. So let's start off by starting adding the first name, Albin, and let me add it into this email, albinht@gmail.com. And let me head back over to the canvas. So you put on get rows from list PBM outreach, or the list you've named, from list niche. So as you can see, here's the list, the niche list, and that's that. Then you head over to the ifs. You need to add a if statement, and then if you're gonna drag the send status from here to there is not equal to send. Then you're gonna add the loop. So you're gonna add over here, you're gonna add a loop over items. And from the loop, you're gonna put the batch size to 1. From there on out, you're gonna have the two possibilities. So we're gonna first add the Google Sheets node. From there on out, you're gonna have the Google Sheets account, sheet within document, get rows, PBM outreach from list email template. So that means from this, it will get all the specific rows. All right, so let me test a step and see 4 items. You'll see there are 4 and row number 5, but 4 specific rows that it has taken from the sheet. Then don't worry. Here, what this JavaScript will do is it will select one specific template from the sheet, and it will use it for the email, meaning that you will never have 2 of the same emails in a row. It's always unique. Don't worry, you don't have to do anything. I'll put it into the description down below. From there on out, you're gonna need to add a merge, and this merge we're gonna press combine by position, and number of outputs will be 2. Then we're gonna add a edit fields node, a set node with manual mapping. And we're going to add the string. They'll also be pasted in the bottom in the description down below. And include other input fields, all, add option, none. Then from there on out, we're going to have a merge node, combine, position, number of inputs 2. And we're going to add the send email node. And this is where you set up your email credentials. If you don't know how to do it, you can watch the video on my account where I showed you how to set up the email credentials. You can use a own email hosting, or you can use Gmail. And from there on out, we're going to have another merge. So this merge, this edit fields node goes from this email and it merges, and you add a wait. So the wait will be 5-second interval, so it waits by sending all the emails. From here on out, we're going to have the Google Sheet here, and this will update the Google Sheet in here. This will update it, and it will also add a timestamp. If you don't know how to add a timestamp, I'll add this code also in the description. You can, if you're for example in Asia, you can add Asia and I don't know what the real what the place in Asia, to be honest. So let me just check quickly.
Step into Wix.
You can add your position. That's your location. You can add your location. In here, I have Europe Amsterdam because I'm positioned and based in Amsterdam. So what you do then is you have this wait node and you have set up all your credentials. You just, let's say for example, you have an outbound list, and here we have Nibla on Nibla on albin.nibla.com. Let's say here we have Sam at info@7overmedia. And let me see, we're gonna have here one more email. You can just edit test emails just so we can test the process. And hi@swainlake.com. Put here the email address, of course, and here we're gonna put nothing, because if you add nothing, you can either make a personal greeting, and the personal greeting is done here. You see in between these, I'm gonna put here, if you put something in here, you can change this. So here is now the full name, because there is a name. Put this to friend. This means that one email will be outputted with friend. So one email will be outputted with the word friend in it, because here we have one email without a name. But because I rather have the no name, I'm just gonna put it like this and test the step. Then we're gonna test the workflow. I'm gonna head over to my inbox in here. And I've received the first couple of emails already on my phone. Did I add the correct email in here? As you can see, the emails are, oh, I didn't add this email in here. So let me just see, as you can see, these emails are sent. And this email I've shown here on the desktop, I didn't add this email into the list. So let me add this email at gmail.com. And it will never target the same email that's already in here, because there's a send status. All right, so it skips all of them. So let me head over to here, test workflow. It checks all of them, send, and it skips the rest, and instant. Here it is. Here's your email. So if you would use this, the only thing you need to do is you're going to just add names and emails in here. That's the only thing you need to do, and the outreach will be fully automated for you. If you have any questions, or if you want to download this workflow, just leave a comment down below, and I'm happy to help. Have a wonderful day, evening, or night, wherever you are, and goodbye.